Hello, in this lesson I'm gonna show you a wonderful tool called Gist. Gist is a way to store information, share it with others, and discuss on the topics. And it's built on top of Github. So if we just click on our GitHub account, and here we can find the link to the Gist. Let's go there and check it out. Gist. So this is basically a space where we can create any kind of documents and share them with our friends or just save them for ourselves. So because we have programming related topics, we will be using this a lot because it's connected to GitHub and all the GitHub users can then also comment on our gists. So let's create the first one. This one will be our cheat sheet for hotkeys. So we learned a couple of hotkeys already, how to open a new tab, how to copy and paste text. So let's not forget them and create a cheat sheet where we can always find them when we need them if we by any chance forget how they go. So let's call this gist hotkeys. And let's create the first one. So Control T in the browser opens a new tab. Control Shift T again in the browser. Reopens recently closed tab. We can make it nicer so that they are all aligned, so it's easier to read. Then we have a new one, which is Control C. This one is copy the text. So we mark the text and we do Control C and we copy it. So we can try with this. And then we paste the text by doing Control V. So we can now use this already. Paste the text. Perfect. So let's create our first public gist because we want others to be able to access this gist and to use it if they want. So you see, here we can leave a comment. Anybody else who is logged in into GitHub can leave a comment for us. And this is our gist. So whenever we want to add something, we basically just click edit and we can add my hotkeys and we update the gist. So this is our gist. And now, as usual, we have to bookmark this gist because how else to find it? We will not remember where it is. So let's create another folder here in the bookmark bar. So we right click and create a new folder, which we will call gists. Okay, and now we add our first gist here. We drag and drop into the, if we make a mistake, we can always change it and push it later into our folder. So our first gist hotkeys is here. So if we open a new tab and we want to check our hotkeys because we forgot how they go, so new tab is Control T. Voila, it works. Super.